Pre Praiseline Johanna in first place. From Blue House are Sahana Sri in second place. Red House N. Ridhanya Tenjal in third place. He won the prizes in hurdles race. A. Azarine, they are the winners in hurdles race. Zigzag race, J. Geraldine Marshall, B. Yalini, S. Litisha. They are from Yellow and Green House. LKGB, A. Kapileshwaran. They are from Yellow, Blue, Red houses. LKGC, T. Selva Mugidan, P. Siva Vignesh, S. Riyash, B. Sai Likisha, C. Sara Sri, J. Jayashakti. They are from Blue, Green, Yellow houses. They secured places from 1, 2nd and 2. Pre-KG color find out games. B. Varada, G. Danny Josephine, S. Rian Jovin, K. Smith Cheryl, K. Dashwin, S. Abraham Chatwin. They are from Blue and Yellow houses. Girls, J. Jerusha Princeline, Nurushna Muttarasi, D. Adeline Abhisha. They are from Blue, Green and Yellow houses. UKGB, T. Nitesh, A. Varun Karthik, S. Riyan Dev. Girls, A. Akshaya, K. Vamitika, B. Srinika. They are from Red, Yellow and Blue houses. UKGC, V. Agilesh Praju, P. Agil Dhiran, P. Ashwin. They are from Blue, Red and Green houses. Girls, E. Rutiksha, J. Stacy Glady, V. Shivashree. They are from Green, Red and Green houses. Dear audience, cheer them with your gorgeous claps. First standard C, S. Subin from Yellow House, M. Arvin Maxwell from Blue House, M. Puhal Niranjan from Green House. Girls, B. Sivashree, J. Indu Prabha, A. Thanga Shubhasree. They are from Blue, Green and Blue houses. First standard A, boys S. Deepak, Viveda, K. Kevin Ezra. They are from Yellow team. They won the match in the shuttle run. First standard A, girls, ball roll with hand. A. Aviksha, R. Venisha, E. Belinda. They are from Yellow, Green and Red houses. P. Ritiksh from Green House, S. Diaz from Blue House, T. Pranav Rishant from Red House, dear audience, cheer them as they are standing very proud of them. Second B, T. Shiva Yogeshwaran from Yellow House, T. Selva Mithran from Green House, M. Indrajit from Blue House. Second standard C section, S. Jovan Bright from Greenhouse. V. Prithip, Yellow House. V. Mashi Darshan, Red House. Balloon bursting game for girls, 2nd standard A. P. Achita, Greenhouse. G. Catherine Janita from Red House. R. Lakshana from Greenhouse, 2nd standard B. S. Praniksha from Red House. S. Sri Yalini Durga from Blue House. J. Jeffina Sharon, Blue House, 2nd standard C. M. Megha Yalini, Blue House. J. Avatika Sai from Red House. J. Nissi Arasi from Greenhouse. They are the winners in the game of balloon bursting, which is held on our sports day. Here comes our 3rd standard A children for their hoop race. Boys, Vishwabala from Blue House. Girls, K. Gifty Gerline from Blue House. M. Vamshita from Red House. S. Hasni from Blue House. R. Rakshan from Red House. P. Rahul Sundar from Blue House. They are on the way with their certificate and the medals. Section Girls running with ball. The winners are P. Sabarna, Red House. K. Ashpita, Greenhouse. S. Sharon Meshika from Blue House. 4th standard children, they had bricks walk, and the winners are boys, V. Manish from Greenhouse. E. Esra Jefferson from Blue House. S. Rohit Ram from Yellow House. They are here with their certificate and medals. 5th standard B section. 4th B section. K. Krish from Red House. S. Darshan from Blue House. G. Tangeshwaran from Yellow House. J. Janisha Bhakyam from Greenhouse. B. Nidarshana from Blue House. S. Bala Ebisa from Blue House. And the boys, D. Sugansha from Yellow House. S. Ashwati from Red House. Fifth standard A. Boys, obstacle race for 5th standard. The winners are Ramnijin T from Greenhouse, Gogul P from Greenhouse, Shiva Gobi S from Red House. 100 meters running, first place. Yes, Adis Ram from Red House. Second place. Yes, Thiruselvan from Yellow House. M. Rishiban from Yellow House. 200 meters. Winners get ready. 200 meters. Winners get ready with their certificate and medals. .200 meters running for junior. First place goes to L. Dhiran from Yellow House. Yes, Prajeen from Red House. Yes, Ritish Rochelle from Yellow House. Congratulations, winners. for your tireless effort towards the sports event. Dear audience, please cheer them with your claps. Long jump winners, please come on the stage. First prize, yes, Adis Ram, 6th Standard B, Red House. Second prize, M. Ashwan, 6th Standard A, Green House. Third prize, A. Raja Matesh, 6th B, from Blue House. Congratulations, winners. Next, shot put winners, get ready with your certificates and medals. Shot put winners. In first place, Irene Sen, 7th A, from Blue House. Second place, yes, Ritish Rochelle, 7th A, from Yellow House. Third place, yes, Ashant Kumaran, 6th B, Green House. Next to that, discus throw winners, get ready with your certificate and medals. In first place, yes, Ritish Rochelle. Yes, Ritish Rochelle. So he is the all-rounder in all the sports events. He secured many medals and certificates. We proud of you, child. Second prize, yes, Raja Pratish, 7th B, Green House. P. Maideen Abdul Qadir, 6th B, from Blue House. Congratulations, winners. Keep achieving. Now, 400 relay. Winners, get ready with your certificate and medal. The first place, the winner goes to, yes, Adis Ram, 6th B. Yes, Ahmed Amin from 6th B. Yes, Prajin, 6th B. A. Mohammed Arif from 6th B. They are from Red House. Congratulations, winners. Now from Yellow House, the second place, yes, Thiruselvan from 6th B. M. Rishiban from 6th A. M. Mohammed Hamis, 7th B. L. Dhiren, 6th A. They are from Yellow House. And next to that, the third place goes to Blue House winners. Blue House winners, be ready with your medals and certificate. Blue House winners, L. Latish from 7th B, G. Anand Selvan from 6th B, S. M. Turai Balaji from 6th B, P. Maideen Abdul Qadir from 6th B. They are the winners from the Blue House. Congratulations, winners. Now the prizes goes to the junior under 14 girls. 100-meter running, A. Tanga Roshmi in first place. Yes, Pritika Dhanushri in second place. A. Renuka Devi in third place. Junior 200-meter running race. In first place, A. Tanga Roshmi from 7th B. Yes, Pritika Dhanushri from 6th B. L. R. Nikita from 6th A. They are the winners in 200 meters running. The first place goes to A. Tanga Roshmi. Second place goes to A. Renuka Devi. Third place goes to S. Pritika Dhanushri. You are the excellent junior winners. Next up, shot put winners. Junior girls. Yes, Srinisha from 7th A. K. Saranya from 7th A. M. Ilamadi from 7th A. They are the winners in the shot put from junior. Next, discus throw. Winners, get ready with your medals and the certificate. First place goes to S. Srinisha. Second place goes to K. Saranya. Third place goes to K. Yashika Krishna. Discus throw winners. First place, yes, Srinisha. 7th A. K. Saranya. 7th A. 400-meter relay. First place goes to the red team. Yes, Pritika Dhanushri. P. Tanshika Pati. G. Pon Aditya. A. Tanga Roshmi. They are from 6th and 7th grade. And the winners from Red House. 400-meter relay. In the second place, LR Nikita. Yes, Vanshika Sri. P. Sagana. A. Renuga Devi. They are from Blue House. The runner of 400 relay, junior girls, goes to Blue House. Third place goes to Green House. Yes, Sobistana from 7th A. R. Rishiksa from 6th A. B. Patraleka from 6th A. P. Brinda from 6th A. They are all from Green House. And next, 400-meter running race. The first place goes to Lavinesh. Second prize, T. Subonan. Third, M. Mohammad Hadim. They are from 9th B, red, blue and yellow houses. Long jump winners, senior under 17 boys, T. Subonan 9th B from Blue House. C. Siddharth 9th B from Red House. Third place, B. Siva Bhavish 8th B from Green House. Winners, kindly come on the stage. We are here to honor your hard work and dedication towards the sports event. Congratulations, winners. Next, shot put winners, get ready. The first place, M. Rahul from 9th A. B. Mithun Raja from 9th B. M. Santosh from 8th B. They are from red, blue and green houses. Next, discus throw. Winners are, first place goes to M. Santosh, 8th B yellow house. Second place, M. Rahul from 9th B red house. Winners, be quick to receive your honor. Next, 400 relay. For boys, M. Lavinesh, T. Melvin Suji, M. Rahul, M. Subhadarshan. They are from red team. They won the first place in the 400-meter relay. M. Lavinesh, Melvin Suji, Rahul and Subhadarshan. Winners, be quick to receive all your honor from our correspondent sir and principal ma'am and then vice principal ma'am. 400-meter relay. Second place, S. Frederick Rajan, A. P. Nikhil Madhav, B. Mithun Raja, T. Subonan. They are from 9th B and 8th B. They are belongs to Blue House. Congratulations, winners. And in the third place, B. Rajesh from 9th B, S. Supradeepan from 9th B, M. Mohammad Hadim from 9th B, S. Smile Jarin from 9th B. They are from Yellow House. They secured third place in 400-meter relay. The prizes is going to the senior under 17 girls. 100 meters running. First place is Sri Chella Hansini from 8th standard A, Blue House. Second place, PJ Prajita, 8th A from Blue House. R. Sumita 9th A from Red House. 200 meters running. First place goes to S. Sri Chella Hansini. Second place P. J. Prajita. Third place T. Purnika. They are from blue and green houses. Congratulations winners. Long jump. Yes, Sri Chella Hansini from 8th A, T. Purnika from 9th A, R. Sumita from 9th A. They are from blue, green and red houses. Congratulations winners. The next event is shot put. Shot put winners be ready. First place, yes, Janani Sharo from 9th A. Second place, A. Mega Akshala from 9th A. Third place, are Reshma from 8th A. They are from red, yellow and blue houses. Next, for discus throw, the winners are yes, Janani Sharo from 9th A, R. Reshma from 8th A, P. Sanjana from 8th A. They are from red, blue and green houses. Congratulations winners. Now 400 meter relay. First place goes to blue house. The winners are T. Akshaya, M. Deepika, P. J. Prajita, S. Sri Chella Hansini. They are the winner in 400 relay. The runner is M. Pooja, M. Vivega, R. Samira, V. Brinda. They are from yellow house. Third place goes to the green house. The winners are P. Shalini from 9th A, M. Purnima Devi from 9th A, J. Nancy from 8th A, D. Purnika from 9th A. They are from green house. Next to that, super senior under 19 boys. 100 meter running. First place D. Sriman from 12th standard. Second place M. Maharaja from 12th standard. Third place R. Bala Murali from 12th standard. They are from red, yellow and blue team. Super senior under 19 boys. Next to that, 400 meter running race winners. In first place B. Joel Satyan from 12th standard, R. Bala Murali from 12th standard, M. Maharaja from 12th standard. 12th standard children, are you near the stage? If you are, please come on the stage to receive all your honor. Here comes our winners. Congratulations winners. The first place goes to V. Vignesh from 11th standard, T. Jasin from 12th standard, K. Kalai Selvam from 10th standard. They are from yellow, green and red houses. Shot put winners, be ready with your medals and certificate. The first prize, J. Sherin from 11th standard, N. Dilip Ram from 11th standard, M. Venkatesh Kumar from 12th standard. J. Sherin from 11th standard, second place, N. Dilip Ram 11th standard, third place, M. Venkatesh Kumar 12th standard. They are from yellow and red houses. Place goes to N. Dilip Ram, second place T. Jacinth, third place J. Sherin. Next to this, 400 relay winners. The red house is the winner in the 400 relay. The winners are P. Joel Satyan, G. Kavin Chakravarti, K. Kalai Selvam, D. Sriman. Second place, V. Vignesh, J. Pon Kingston, V. Akash, M. Maharaja. They are from yellow house. The runner-up goes to yellow house winners. In third place, there are Blue House winners. A. Isai Selvam from 11th standard. Yes. Radish from 10th standard. Yes. Vishal from 10th standard. Or Bala Murali from 12th standard. They are from Blue House. Super Senior Under 19. Events for girls, 100 meters. First place, yes, Akshaya from 11th standard. Second place, Super Senior Under 19 girls, 100 meter winners. First place, yes, Akshaya. Second place, yes, Aditya. Third place, G. Kansika. They are from blue, yellow houses. 400 meters running. First place, M. Sagana. Second place, yes, Adista. Third place, G. Kansika. Long jump winners. First place, M. 400 meters running. First place goes to M. Sagana. Long jump. First place goes to M. Tanishta. Second place, yes, Akshaya. Third place, G. Ramalakshmi. They are from red, blue and green houses. Next to that, shot put winners. First place, M. Vaishnavi. Second place, G. Ramalakshmi. Third place, M. Nitya Pavitra. They are from blue, green and red house. The winners, those who receive more than one medals and certificate, please stay on the right side of the stage. Next to shot put, there is a discus throw. The winner is first place, M. Nitya Pavitra. Second place, A. Nabila. Third place, M. Vaishnavi. They are from 10th standard, red, yellow and blue houses. There is 400 relay winners. It goes to the blue team. Tikansika. Yes, Rakshaya. Yes, Akshaya. M. Sagana. The runner-up goes to green team. T. Jeeva Jeffrey. M. Selva Vinita. D. Taranya. G. Ramalakshmi. Runner-up with green house. Third place in 400 meter relay, M. Tanishta. J. Vinota. R. Agastya. R. Saumya. They are from 11th standard. Belongs to red house. Super senior girls throw ball winner is yellow house and runner is green house, and tennis kite winner green house and runner is yellow house. Senior girls Coco, the winner is blue and runner is yellow. Now the prizes for super senior girls throw ball. The winner is green house. The green house participants are G. Ramalakshmi 12th standard, D. Taranya 12th standard, C. Priyadarshini 12th standard, M. Nisti Varsha 12th standard, T. Jeeva Jeffrey 11th standard, A. Yogashree 11, B. Deepika 10, yes, Vidya Varshini 10, yes, Shivani 10, M. Priyadarshini 10, T. Sanjana 7th standard, M. Madhushree 10th standard. Prizes for super senior kabaddi. They are the winner for the red house. Their names: M. Venkatesh Kumar from 12th standard, G. Gavin Chakravarti from 12th standard. S. Santosh Kumar from 12th standard. P. Joel Satyan from 12th standard. N. Tilipram from 11th standard. Now the children are from Super Senior Girls Harness for winning Coco. They are from Greenhouse. The winners are G. Ramalakshmi from 12th standard. M. Nishti Varsha from 12th standard. D. Taranya from 12th standard. T. Jeeva Jeffreen from 11th standard. A. Yogashri from 11th standard. M. Selva Vinita from 11th. S. Shivani from 10th. C. Priyadarshini from 12th. J. Nancy from 8th. T. Purnika from 9th. S. Anushya from 11th. B. Deepika from 10th. Congratulations winners. The Super Senior Girls Coco Blue House Runner. They are S. Akshaya 9th standard. E. Elilarasi 11th. M. Juvairia 11th. M. Sagana 10th. C. Kavi Anushya 10th. B. Bhavya from 10th. S. Rakshaya from 12th. K. Uma Sarathi from 12th. G. Kaniska from 12th. M. Charubala from 10th. T. Dhanushya from 12th. M. Pritika Sri from 10th. Super Senior Girls Throw Ball. Winners are G. Ramalakshmi 12th. T. Dharanya 12th. C. Priyadarshini 12th. M. Nishti Varsha 12th. T. Jeeva Jeffreen 11th. A. Yogashri 11th. B. Deepika 10th. S. Vidya Varshini 10th. S. Shivani 10th. M. Priyadarshini 10th. P. Sanjana 7th standard. M. Madhusri 10th. Congratulations winners. Be smile as you receive all the honors from our management. This would be a great memorable moment for you all, so you can cheer yourself. The runners in the throw ball match, the winning team is Blue House. The participants are K. Uma Sarathi 12th, G. Kansika from 12th, T. Dhanushya from 12th, S. Rakshaya 12th, G. Jayashree 12th, P. Pon Malini 12th, S. Akshaya 11th, E. Elilarasi 11th, G. Vijayashree 10th, M. Sagana 10th, R. Janani 10th, M. Vaishnavi 10th. Congratulations runners. Senior Girls Coco, the winner is from Blue House. The winners are V. Magisha from 9th, M. Subha Muthulashmi from 8th, S. Sugita from 9th, K. Maulika Krishna 9th, R. Reshma from 8th, S. Kamalika 9th, P. Nikita 9th, T. Akshaya 9th, K. Ajita 9th, M. Sanjana 9th, S. Sri Chella Hansini 8th, P. J. Prajita 8th standard. Congratulations winners. You have made proud of our team. Senior Girls Coco Runner, they are from Yellow House. The participants are J. Nishika 7th, M. Pooja 8th, S. Srinisha 7th, B. Sugashini 8th, R. Samira 8th, K. Kale Arasi 8th, G. J. Starvin Jevisha 9th, J. Priyadarshini 9th, M. Mahadeva Darshini 9th, B. Brinda 9th, A. Mega Akshala 9th, M. Viveha 9th standard. Congratulations runners. The prize announcement for Super Senior Boys Tenikite Doubles. The winners from Red House M. Sudar Mani, K. Kalai Selvam. Super Senior Boys for Tenikite Doubles and Singles. Senior Girls Tenikite Doubles. Tenikite Doubles winner is from Red House M. Sudarmani, K. Kalai Selvam. Runners are from Yellow House V. Vignesh, M. Mohammad Amir. Tenikite Singles winner from Greenhouse M. Loha Anand. Senior Girls Tenikite Doubles Super Senior Boys Volleyball Team. The winners are from Yellow House The players, Akash, Super Senior Boys, the winning yellow team in the volleyball match. The winners are Akash B, Pon Kingston J, Vignesh B, Samson P, Sherin T, Maharaja M, Belraj M, Jerish G, Vishwamani Sangar M, Mohammad Asir I, Sajid A, Akash M. And the runners are runners from Greenhouse. The participants are Matesh D, Jasin T, Loga Anand M, Siva Saravanan R, Midushan R, Muttalagan M, Ashwin M, Sri Rishi R, Selva Bala T, Nitin Ajib S, Sri Tanga Durkas S, Udaya Varshan V. Our super senior girls present there. Super senior girls Tenikite doubles. The winner are from Blue House, V. Magisha 9th A, R. Reshma 8th A. And the runners are from Yellow House, R. Samira from 8th A, Yamaha Deva Darshini from 9th A. Tenikite runners from Yellow House are Samira from 8th A, Yamaha Deva Darshini from 9th A. Senior singles winners are from Blue House, yes, Sugita from 9th A, and the runner from Greenhouse, Pishalini 9th A. Congratulations winners for your super achievement in the Tenikite singles. Tenikite super senior. Senior girls Tenikite doubles. Junior girls Tenikite doubles. The winners are from Yellow House, S. Srinisha from 7th A, A. Armita from 7th B. The runners are from Blue House, Sagana and Saranya. The winners are from Greenhouse, Vigabadi. And the runners from Yellow House, Vitu Safria. Individual championship winners, those who won the individual championship, get ready for receiving your honor. Dharanya from Greenhouse, she is receiving her honors for Tenikite single. Hilda Jessie from 10th standard. Congratulations winners, they are for Tenikite singles. Now the individual championship winners. Individual championship for girls, junior Tanga Roshmi, she is from Red House with 15 points, and senior Sri Chella Hansini from Blue House with 15 points, and super senior girls Akshaya from Blue House. Congratulations winners. They scored lot of points in their individual championship. Junior Adis Ram from Red House with 10 points. Senior Subonan from Blue House with 10 points. Super senior Dilip Ram from Red House. They have secured individual championship. Congratulations winners for your tireless effort. The events which is held for boys 1500 meter running, the winner is from Red House. The first place goes to Y. Arun. And the second place for the Red House, the winner is R. Arushar. In third place, Yamari Selvam from Blue House. Next to this, 1500 meter running, girls winners get ready to receive your harness. Yes, Sri Chella Hansini from Blue House, she secured first place, and D. Purniga from Green House, she is in second place, and M. Sagana from Blue House, she secured third place. Congratulations, winners. And here comes our outstanding players. In girls team, G. Ramalakshmi from 12th standard, she is from green team. And I also welcome N. Dilip Ram from 11th standard, he is from Red House. He's also won lot of matches and he's being outstanding player. Tenicard, senior boys. Winner is from Blue House. Tenicard singles. From Blue House, Rajesh Supradeepan from 9th B. Congratulations, winners. And Tenicard doubles. The winner is from Yellow House. Singles winner is from Blue House. Runner is from Green House. We are here to give away the championship for overall championship cup. It goes from 4th place. In 4th place there is Green House with a points 200. Give a cheers with your clap. Dear audience, please encourage them as they receive all their honors. And in the 3rd place, Yellow House with 268 points. And in the 2nd place, Blue House with the points 286. And we are proudly announced that in the 1st place, there is Red Team with a point 289. Congratulations, team. Dear audience, please cheer them all their hard work towards the sports event. And I congratulate the house leaders and the house staff and in charges for the whole team. I congratulate all the participants in the Red House. Overall championship goes to Red Team. The participants are here to receive their honors. I request all to bring a smile, sweet smile from your face. Congratulations, team. And congratulations, sir, to encourage all our students and teachers to achieve this much. Thank you, our Red Team captain. Blue House, get ready. You're in the 2nd place with 20 points. The 2nd place goes to the charming Blue House. Now, in the 1st place, and it symbolizes unity. They scored 30 points in their march past. Our school children has undergone judo district level sports events. Under 14 category, 5 girls has participated and has won gold, silver, bronze medals. So here are our children. They have multi-talented in some sports such as silambam, karate, skating, chess, and so on. Our school has created a platform to exhibit the knowledge about science and technology, and our students were used the opportunity and executed the talents in well manner. This is the time acknowledge their effort. So here comes our children from pre-KG. First place T. Jiso Remalia Gold, and second place B. Varada. Third place J. Joe Denver, and LKG children J. Geraldine Marshall in first place, yes Titus Pervin in second place, yes Lithika in third place, K. Sasidharan in first place, M.S. Rajadevadanya in second place, V.M. Magisha Sri in third place. They are from LKG. They are with a trophy for excellence in science knowledge. R. Megha Dharanish in first place, K. Kogal in second place, N. Pragalya Sri in third place. Here comes our UKG kids. Yes, Shenbaga Patran in first place. Yes, Mugilesh Adira in second place. Yes, Sainika Sri in third place. Yes, Naveen Venkat in first place. Yes, Vishalini in second place. M. Kayal Madi in third place. M. Kadir in first place. K. Pooja in second place. E. Rudiksha in third place. K. Kevin Yesra in first place. Yes, Robin in second place. Yes, Avishka in third place. A. Ritvik in first place. A. Abhinidhi in second place. B. Rikshita in third place. Yes, Jay Harish in first place. Yes, Pon Gifty in second place. M. Puhal Niranjan in third place. M. Anushri in first place. D. Catherine Janita in first place. Yes, Kanishka Rashmi second place. B. Mohammad Faisal third place. Here are our second standard kids. T. Siva Yogeshwaran in first place. Yes, Sajiv Ridin second place. J. Jeffina Sharon third place. P. Arul Janice in first place. Yes, Jovan Bright second place. Or Evelyn Jerisha in third place. Here are our third standard children. K. Sudarshan in first place. Yes, Kasni in second place. Yes, Raj Tesna in third place. R. Rakshan in first place. I. Ishana Sri second place. Yes, Sharon Meshika in third place. This is appreciation goes to fourth standard. Yes, Avinash, first place. Yes, Ishant, second place. Ishani, third place. Jofina Rebecca, third place. Our Monica in first place. Yes, Darshini Saro, second place. Yes, Mohammed Irshad, third place. Yes, Nitin Hanok in first place. T.M. Ilakia in first place. B. Tarun Nitish in second place. J. Pranav in third place. J. Simeona Christine in first place. Yes, Mas Rahul Turai, second place. Yes, Madhav in third place. B. Subit Sen also in third place. K.S. Naveen in first place. P.T. Safriya in first place. P. Sarathi in second place. Yes, Jaya Christina in second place. L. Wilkins Paul in third place. P. Brinda in third place. And K. Vensika Shruti also in third place. A. Raja Mates in first place. P. Prathipa in first place. R. Selva Riyashini in first place. P. Saravanan in first place. S. Pritika Dhanushree in first place. M. Inesh in second place. P. Tansika Pati second place. S. M. Thurai Balaji second place. M. Mahadarshini second place. S. Jovika second place. P. Sagana second place. S. Thiruselvan third place. M. Makhil Varadan third place. Harsha Sri third place. J. Kabi Danushka third place. 7th standard children. The Harshan in first place. K. Nasik Robin first place. Yes, Ritish Roshal also in first place. L.R. Sri Raja Devi in second place. K. Saranya in second place. M. Isaika from 7th standard third place. Yes, Sri Rakshika third place. Another group of 7th standard. A. Tanga Roshmi in first place. R. Madhubalan second place. D. Darun second place. A. Armita second place. S. Harish third place. T. Levina Deborah third place. And Ilamadi also in third place. Here are our 8th standard children. R. Samira in first place. P. Sanjana in second place. M. Sujit Sarathi in third place. P. M. Deepika third place. B. Sugasini third place. And another group of 8th standard. K.S. Aswin in first place. A. Pon Saravanan in second place. J. Pranil third place. J. Lesvan Carlos third place. K. Sivarangan also in third place. P. Shalini in first place. P. Rinofia in second place. M. Sanjana in third place. And another group of 9. K. Sarangan in first place. M. Aaron in first place. S. Frederick Rajan in second place. R. Vasant in second place. S. Mohammed Imran in third place. It is indeed a momentous day for our graduates, their families and our esteemed faculty. Graduation Day holds immense significance in the lives of our students. It symbolifies the culmination of years of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Today, as we bid farewell to our graduates, we reflect upon the beautiful journey they have undertaken during this time at our JMS. On this momentous day, let us celebrate the accomplishment of our graduates. K. Darshan, M. Kirtik Ram, S. Mugadesh, P. Sajit Ram, or Sam Kartikesh, or Vimal Krishna, S. Abarshika, P. Dhanur Vedasri, P. Janani, M. Kavi Darshini, or Kirtana, C. Selva Nishantini, M. Dhanuja. K. Darshan, M. Kirtik Ram, S. Mugadesh, J. Sajit Ram, R. Sam Kartikesh. R. Vimal Krishna. S. Ashwin, B. Darun, S. Deepak, S. K. Gerson, P. Gogol, B. S. Gogol, K. Hariharan, S. Manish, E. Marcus, S. Nitin Hanak. J. Pranav. S. Pranish. T. Ramni Jain. Yes, Sam Subishan. T. Sabine. Yes, Siva Gobi. P. Tarun Nitish. M. Tivikshan. So here our chief guest of honor, Mr. Kasi Pontian, Inspector of Police, Alangalam Station, is on the way to our school. So let's all cheer to welcome him as he comes. Here goes K. Adisha, L. Darshika, M. Danshita, S. Diasna, T. M. Ilakia, D. Jeeva Jaishna, A. Kamali, children, please come forward. R.M. Maria Spurti, A. Monifa, C. Mujita, P. Pooja, P. Reshmi, yes, Sanjana Sakti, Saru Kesini. Welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. Kasi Pandian, Inspector of Police in Alangalam Station. We heartily welcome you, sir, to this 17th annual day celebration of JMS. We proud to welcome you and requested, sir, and we are requesting, sir, to graduate our children. Sanjana, Reshmi, yes, Sanjana Sakti, Vicharu Kesini, M. Sakshi, A. Satvika, C. Swarna Lakshmi, K. Dharani. Here our 5th standard B section boys. Yes, Akshan Mukesh. K. Arjun. T. Polil Jain. A. Hafid. J. Ishant Varun. R. Kabilesh. M. Madhav. S. Mas Rahul Turai. K. Pon Saravanan. P. Priyesh Puden. M. Pugal Arasu. S. Ram Eastward. P. Rinson. M. Subha Muthukumaran. P. Subitsan. R. Sushant Sri. K. Varun Kumaran. S. Vishwanath. Here comes our girls. Yes, Asvantika. P. Dhanasri. Yes, Gazella. T. Harshini. T. Jeeva Jaisna. और मेघ प्रियदर्शनी. J. Nancy. P. Pon Harini. Yes, Sanjana. J. Simeona Chrissy. M. Siva Lakshaya. M. Siva Ranjani. T. Siva Maga. M. Sujita. N. Viji. This is a time of acknowledge the various talents of our children on every occasion of our school. We have list of our children who placed their position by showcasing their talents on Children's Day program. I request to call all our graduated children on the stage for a group photo. I requesting Ladies and gentlemen, a warm welcome to all. It's a pleasure to have you today. We are excited to embark on this journey together and share this special moment. Your presence adds significance to our gathering and we look forward to a fruitful and engaging event. Thank you for being here. It is a moment of extreme pleasure to welcome each one of you present here today on this grand celebration of 17th annual day of our JMS. I take great privilege to invite a great personality whose presence is really attractive and vibrating. He is none other than Mr. M. Sivaji Sellaya, LLM, Sub-Judge, Uttamapalayam. We are delighted to offer the most hospitable welcome we welcome you an experience that will leave an indelible mark on your hearts and minds.
குறிஞ்சி நிலத்தில் உருவாகிய ஆலமரமாய் நம் பள்ளி அறிவை மட்டுமல்ல நல்ல ஒழுக்கத்தையும் விதைத்துக் கொண்டிருக்கின்ற பள்ளி. கனவுகளை நினைவாக்கி வெற்றி படிகளை அமைத்து முன்னேறி கொண்டிருக்கின்ற நம் பள்ளியின் வெற்றி விழா. ஆம், ஜீவா மாண்டிச்சோரி மெட்ரிக் மேல்நிலைப் பள்ளியின் 17வது பொன்னான விழா. பசுமையான சூழல், அழகான அற்புதமான பள்ளி, அன்பான அறிவான ஆசிரியர்கள், பல திறமைகளோடு மாணவர்கள்.
Now we have one of them here. They are really amazing and stunningly attractive with your great work in our society.
துறைகள் பல பல, எதுவாயினும் நாம் தடம் பதிக்க வேண்டும் சாதனையாளராய். காற்றுக்கு கடிவாளம் இல்லை, கனவுக்கு எல்லை இல்லை, முயற்சிக்கு ஓய்வே இல்லை. உத்தமபாளையம் ஒருங்கிணைந்த நீதிமன்ற வளாகத்தின் துணை நீதிபதியான திரு எல் சிவாஜி செல்லையா LLM அவர்களையும் அன்போடு வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன். அன்னாரின் வருகை எங்களுக்கு பெருமை. இவ்விழாவிற்கு கௌரவ விருந்தினராக கலந்து கொண்டிருக்கும் ஆலங்குளம் காவல் ஆய்வாளர் உயர் திரு எம் காசிபாண்டியன் அவர்களையும் அன்போடு வருக வருக என வரவேற்கிறேன்.
I also welcome some of our most familiar dignitaries of today's function to come onto the dais and occupy their distinguished chairs. Thank you all. We are so kind of you.
இவ்விழாவிற்கு முன்னிலை வகிக்கும் யதார்த்தமான நடையுடையுடன் யாவருடனும் பழகி பாமர மக்களும் பகுத்தறிவு பாதையில் பட்டம் பெற பகலவனாய் தோன்றி பள்ளிக்கல்வியை பயனுள்ள கல்வியாக தரும் எம் பள்ளியின் தாளாளர் திரு சௌராதா அவர்களையும், தலைமை வகிக்கும் ஆழ்மனதில் வேர்பிடிக்கும் அன்பின் வேகம் எல்லா தடைகளையும் கடந்து நிற்கும் என்று அன்புடனும் பாசத்துடனும் கண்டிப்புடனும் நம்மை வழிநடத்தும் எம் பள்ளியின் முதல்வர் திருமதி ஏஞ்சல் பொன்ராஜ் அவர்களையும், கனிவான பேச்சோடு அன்பான வழிநடத்துதலில் எங்களை அழைத்துச் செல்லும் துணை முதல்வர் திருமதி சவிதா சனாய் அவர்களையும், ஜீவா மாடல் பள்ளியின் முதல்வர் திருமதி கவிதா அவர்களையும், நிகழ்ச்சியை ஒருங்கிணைத்து செயல்படுத்தி கொண்டிருக்கும் எம் பள்ளியின் ஒருங்கிணைப்பாளர்களான திருமதி மயிலம்மாள் மற்றும் திருமதி எஸ்தர் அவர்களையும், கல்லை வைரமாக்க கற்கண்டாய் கற்பிக்கும் ஆசிரிய பெருமக்களையும், அலுவலக நண்பர்களையும், மாணவ செல்வங்களையும், பெற்றோர்களையும் வருக வருக என வரவேற்று என் வணக்கத்தை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன்.
They are the inspiring figures for all of us and feel fortunate enough to have them among us by gracing their presence and blessing as well as have given their valuable time to elegant that ceremony. So, let's honor these dynamic personalities on the dais with a felicitation ceremony. We are fortunate to have with us our honorable chief guest, Mr. M. Sivaji Sellaya, LLM, Sub-Judge, Uttamapalayam. An extraordinary person does not need an introduction at all. With a great pleasure to express a kind gesture to felicitate our chief guest, I may welcome our respected correspondent sir and ma'am to do the honor. Thank you, sir. We also take heartfelt gratitude to felicitate our honorable guest of honor, Mr. Kasipandian BSc, MFM, MA, Inspector of Police, Alangulam Station. It's a great pleasure to have you again on this auspicious occasion. I would like to request our principal ma'am to honor him. Thank you, ma'am. We are so blessed to have our other dignitaries who have taken a special effort to make the function as grand success on their presence. Now I invite N. Dilip Ram of 11th standard has been selected as state representative in discus throw and he has been in second place in the CM Trophy Athletic Meet 2024-2025 and cash prize of rupees 2,000. This hat-trick victory really made us very proud. Congratulations, boy.
மாணவரின் முயற்சிக்கு அனைவரும் கரகோஷம் எழுப்பி உற்சாகப்படுத்துங்கள்.
Yes, Akshaya from 11th standard has won the second place in the CM Trophy Athletic Meet in 2024-2025 and won 2,000 rupees cash award. Congratulations, girl. J. Simeona Christy has been selected in the state level chess tournament and she participated in that grand event successfully. Dear audience, give a round of applause to all the achievers, those who are on the stage. So now we are going to move on to UKG graduation. So our little buds are on the way to graduating themselves from our chief guest. Thank you, kids, for your adorable presence here.
சென்ற கல்வியாண்டில் முழு மதிப்பெண்கள் பெற்று சாதனையாளர்களாய் இருக்கும் மாணவ மாணவியரை பாராட்டி பரிசு வழங்கி சிறப்பிக்குமாறு சிறப்பு விருந்தினர் அவர்களை அன்போடு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். 12ஆம் வகுப்பு கணினி அறிவியல் பாடத்தில் 100க்கு 100 மதிப்பெண் எடுத்த மாணவி எஸ் சங்கமித்ரா, கே சந்தியா, டேனியல் ராஜகுமார், எஸ் கவிஸ் ராஜா, ஜே டேனியல் ராஜகுமார், காமர்ஸ் பாடத்தில் 100க்கு 100 மதிப்பெண் பெற்ற மாணவ மாணவிகள் என் பிரைசி சொர்ணா, என் பிரைசி சொர்ணா, எஸ் சவேதா, சுடலைமுத்து, ஏ சுடலைமுத்து, கே சாந்தராஜா, சஞ்சய் கண்ணா, லெவன்த் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் தனுஷியா பேபி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரேங்க், 11th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ரேங்க் ஹோல்டர்ஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரேங்க் பேபி. சந்தோஷ் குமார் செகண்ட் ரேங்க், பி சந்தோஷ் குமார், பி தனுஷியா தேர்ட் ரேங்க், ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஏ நித்திகா, 11th ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் ஏ நித்திகா தேர்ட் ரேங்க், டுவெல்த் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் எஸ் சங்கமித்ரா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரேங்க், கே சந்தியா, என் பிரைசி சொன்னான் செகண்ட் ரேங்க், எஸ் சபேதா தேர்ட் ரேங்க். Sendam scorers for 12th standard J. Daniel Rajakumar, S. Kavis Raja, Daniel Rajakumar, Sanjay Khanna, Daniel Rajakumar, Sandaraja, A. Sudalaimuthu, M. Nandini, 11th standard, M. Nandini, Computer Science Center, G. Ramalakshmi, G. Kansika, Economics Center, K. Ajay, T. Jacinth, K. Ajay, T. Jacinth, for 10th standard rank holders, first rank M. Tangarakshita, K. Benita Malar, B. Clatson. M. Tangarakshita, K. Benita Malar, B. Clatson. Second rank P. Nitish Kohul, S. Siyombu Ganesh, E. Sweetlin. Third rank J. Vinoda or Agastya.
Dear staff who are handling 10th, 11th, 12th and have given a centum, please get ready to receive your honors. A good education can change anyone. A good teacher can change everything. They are the one with wonderful hearts and burning desire to make the world a better place. We have such a talented, hardworking and enthusiastic staff in our JMS. This is the time to honor our higher class staff members for their dedication, sincerity, hard work and contribution towards our students' achievements. It's my pleasure to welcome our staff to receive your honor on this great dais.
கணித பாடத்தில் 100க்கு 100 மதிப்பெண்கள் பெற்ற மாணவ மாணவர்கள் கே. பெனிட்டா மலர், கணித பாடத்தில் 10ஆம் வகுப்பில் 100க்கு 100 மதிப்பெண்கள் பெற்ற மாணவ மாணவியர்களை அன்போடு அழைக்கின்றேன். கே. பெனிட்டா மலர், எம். தங்கரக்ஷிதா, ஜீவ ஜெஃப்ரேன், ஜே. வினோதா, இ. எழிலரசி, ஏ. வின்சிகா, ஆர். அகஸ்தியா, ஏ. யோகாஸ்ரீ, E. Sweetlin, R. Nesiga, B. Vignesh, S. Siyombu Ganesh, J. Ponkingston, T. Sherin, K. Varadarajan, B. Nitish Kohul. பரிசு பெறும் மாணவர்களை கரகோஷங்களை எழுப்பி உற்சாகப்படுத்துமாறு பெற்றோர்களை அன்போடு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன். உங்களுடைய கைத்தட்டலே மாணவர்களுக்கான வெற்றி கோப்பை. பரிசினை பெற்று வெற்றி களிப்பில் இருக்கும் மாணவ மாணவியர்களுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள். கரகோஷங்களை எழுப்பி மாணவர்களை உற்சாகப்படுத்துமாறு பெற்றோர்களையும் உற்றோர்களையும் அன்போடு கேட்டுக்கொள்கிறேன்.
It's my pleasure to welcome our staff to receive your honor on this great dais. The spirit towards the upliftment of the students and the school is highly appreciated. I request our chief guest to do the honor of our staff with your blessings. Our heartfelt congratulations to Mr. S. Sorimuthu on your achievement of 2 centum score in 10th Science in the year of 2023-2024. Congratulations, sir. Mrs. K. Hepsibai Jabasundari on your achievement of 2 centum score in 10th Science and 1 centum score in 12th Physics in the year of 2023 and 2024. Next, Mr. V. Satyakaran on his achievement of 16 centum score in 10th Mathematics Give a round of applause to him for his hard work towards the achievement of the kids. Mrs. J. Sangeeta, on her achievement of 1 centum score in 10 social science, 4 centum score in 12th commerce in the year of 2023 and 2024. Thank you, ma'am. Mr. R. Samuel, on his achievement of 1 centum score in 11th economics, 1 centum score in 12th economics in the year 2K23, 2K24. Mrs. V. Sandana Mari, on her achievement of 4 centum score in 11th computer science, 5 centum score in 12th computer science and 1 centum score in 12th computer application. Congratulations, ma'am. Your dedication, enthusiasm and insight are totally inspiring of great achievements. The fruit of your labor is sweet and I must say you deserve it. On behalf of our Jiva school, we wish you even more success in your life. Dear staff, congratulations. You have proclaimed the glory of JMS. I. Sri Darshini, first rank. D. Ivan Gabriel, second rank. S. Siddharth, third rank in their pre-KG. J. Jerusha Princeline, first rank. S. Abraham Chatwin, second rank. R. M. Reni Thiruvendran, third rank in LKG. Here our Sir Mr. R. Samuel, on his achievement of 1 centum score in 11th economics and 1 centum score in 12th economics in 2023-2024. Congratulations, sir, for your hard work and dedication towards the school achievements. Here are our kids who scored rank in the class LKG. Yes, Naveen Venkat, first rank. L. Karunya, second rank. A. Subakshan, third rank. E. Rutiksha, first rank. K. Pooja, second rank. M. Livin, third rank. B. Veda, first rank. M. Sri Rutraradhan, second rank. Yes, Avishka, third rank. K. Tanvika, first rank. R. Sukumar, second rank. R. Ritvik, third rank. Yes, Pon Gifty, first rank. Yes, J. Harish, second rank. Arvin Maxwell, third rank. Here are our first standard rank holders. A. Manushree, first rank. A. Bhavanya Sri, second rank. A. Sanjana, third rank. R. Jaspreet, first rank. D. Kajis Mukesh, second rank. A. Madhi Mugil, third rank. M. Mitran Jess, first rank. S. Isai Karthikeyan, second rank. B. Prithip, third rank. Here comes our second standard rank holders. A. Sol Elil Vendan, first rank. M. Vamshita, second rank. S. Jeronica Darkus, third rank. R. Rakshan, first rank. B. Jaswin Leo, second rank. I. Lishana Sri, third rank. S. Isan. S. Abhinesh. B. Manish. R. Monica. Stephen Joe. Mohammad Riyad. L. Darshika. D. Jeeva Janice. T. M. Ilakya. Mas Rahul Durai. P. Priyesh Pudan. P. Rinsan. K. S. Naveen. R. Sudeep. M. Ashwant. S. Pritika Dhanushri. R. Prathipa. A. Saravanan. They are from 5th standard. Now here Our 6th standard children, Yella Sri Rajadevi, yes, Sobistana, M. Kartika, D. Levina Deborah, M. Ilamadi, yes, Rajapratis, K. Aravind, K.S. Aswin. Yes, Sri Chella Hansini, M. Subha Muttulakshmi, G. Thirumalai Kumar, K. Padma Priya. They are receiving their trophies for the rank holders in 7th standard. R. Vasant, G. J. Starvin Javisha, P. Rinofia, S. Kanishka, M. Thangabala, M. Vivega, S. Vidya Varshini, M. Danishta, S. M. Akshita, A. Bala Arun, M. Pugalendi, M. Sudarmani, S. Baby, rank holders of pre-KG, M. Ponbadi, G. Mugandan, LKG, R. Darsuvi, LKG kids, R. Darsuvi, P. Yalini. UKG kids, DK, Parvada Vardhini, or Jenita. First standard children, P. Nagulan, S. Visok. Second standard kid is Shanmuga Priya, S. Bala Harish. For regular attendance, Loga Darshan, Prajin. S. Mugisha, N. Saranya. Fourth standard, M. Danuja, J. Sajitra, C. Selva, Lishantini. Fifth standard, P. Kovesh, K. Rajadarshini. Sixth standard, M. Kavya Sri, A. Sanjana, S. Kanishka. M. Cherma Madesh, Anish. Kanishka and Starbin Jerisha from 9th A. Please come and meet me. M. Aaron, Visharika, C. Siddharth. Regular attendance, P. Roshan, 6th standard, Shalini, 8th standard, Loga Darshan, 6th standard, Prajin, 7th standard.